Hi, thanks for clicking through. We're on location here, and there's cars might be going by in a minute, but I'm pretty certain you'll still be able to hear me okay. I'm assuming that you're here. I know it's dangerous to assume, but I'm assuming that you're here, that you're looking to hire a company to clean the moss, the lichen, the algae off of the roof tiles on your home. And for the most part, the reason that people want to do that is because they just don't like the look of it. And 9 times out of 10, when we ask people and we say to them, yeah, fine, not a problem, can we ask, is there an issue with the roof? No, just don't like the look of it. Okay, it's fair enough, not a problem. Now, what I'm going to suggest to you, if you're just looking to engage a company to just clean the moss, etc., from your roof tiles, don't bother. Don't waste your money. Give it a miss. It's not worth it. Now, you might think to yourself, that's a bit of a strange thing to say for somebody who's involved in a roof cleaning business. And not really. I say it with good reason. My name's Ronnie, and back in 1995, I started a roof cleaning business, and we clean roofs every day to this day. We work in the counties of Essex, of Surrey, Kent, Buckinghamshire, Berkshire, and not forgetting the capital, London, and we're busy. We just do it differently. Okay, yes, we clean roofs, but we do it differently. If you're just looking to clean your roof, get the moss off, algae, lichen, that's it, because you don't like the look of it, really, honestly, don't bother. Now, what I want you to do, if you're still thinking, what's he on about? Why? Below the video here, there's a link. I want you to click it, and then you'll go through, and I've written something for you. It's a short read, very informative, based on my 26 odd years of experience coming across all kinds of situations. It's a short read, as I say, and it really isn't salesy. It really isn't. So click the link below the video. Do it now. Don't put it off. Click it now. Have a look. And I just want to say thanks for listening. Stay safe. Take care. And you can thank me later. So, all the best. Bye-bye.